a straightforward one from sequences and series. So it's an AP, so we get ln L1 plus 1 Wn equals to W1 times D2, which gives us ln times Wn, which is An is L1 W1 plus n minus 1 times plus n minus 1 squared d1 d2, which is given to be 10. So we now have an in terms of n minus 1, L1, D1 and all those things. Okay. So we are also given that A51 minus A50, which becomes L1 D2 plus W1 D1 plus ten into 50 square minus 49 square, which is 99, is 1000, which gives us L1 D2 so we'll substitute this here, which will give us that An equals to now we can substitute 190 to get A100 and A90 and their difference. The difference will become 10 times 100 minus 1, that is 99 square, plus 10 times 99 minus, because this term is common, it will get cancelled. We will be left with 10 times 89 squared, which is 10 into 8 into 10 plus 10 into 10, 188 10 no 18900. Our answer is 18,900. Straightforward one. Definitely we can do this in the first